Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through how to add subscribe button on video. To add this feature on your video at the end or the front, first of all open any browser and on the searching bar search for subscribe button watermark YouTube. Then click on the first link and then open any image you want to save and hit on the download. Once you download that image, go through the YouTube and then hit on the your channel, which is on the left button, and then go through your YouTube studio. From there select customization and go to the branding. There you will see an option of upload watermark. Hit on that and then select that photo and then hit on the done. You can also select the display time. In this way you can do publish and add a subscribe button on your video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.